Today I'm going to show you how to find the fake references generated by ChatGPT. Not only ChatGPT, from any AI. Actually, according to my experience, I think you too have this experience. And when we use especially ChatGPT, now it can generate actual references. It's true, but 50 to 50, according to my experience, it will still create fake references. So actually, uh, it was very hard for me to identify what are the fake references. So I what I did, not did what I'm actually doing up to now, just manually check each reference from the internet. Well, or false, it means is this papers actually available or not. So but I found the one of great AI, actually the great AI, it has clearly solves this problem. So let's check how that work. Okay, I'm going to do with you. So actually, here, this reference list I got generated from ChatGPT. So now I'm going to check is what are the fake references, because I know 100% I know all these references are not actually available. There are some fake. It is true. It is true. So let's check. So for this, I'm using this actually recently I found this AI. Earlier I didn't know about this. My name is Citely AI, so you can easily find. So this is it interface look like. Okay, here we have two options: find sources and check citation. And also we have watch demo video. We can watch and understand. Okay, how to work. Okay, so first I want to check citation. Let's click citation. Okay, it's fast. And here this is the interface, and also here we have checkbox and also two options. It automatically clicked verified references. Okay, what I'm doing here in this box, um, I copy this reference list and come to Citely and paste, and then it says we can use 1000 max characters. Okay, click this and arrow icon, and then again click this start check. Let's see how it works. And now it shows how it works. It analyzes the content pattern and it adding AI detection algorithms. Okay, it actually didn't take at least 1 minute. See, we have the results. It says says 10 citation processed 100%, 4 verified, and 6 needs reuse. It means it clearly shows this green arrow. See, they are actual references, and these verification failed. It means these pages, these papers are not available. Oh my god, this is really really helpful. Okay, and so this is how we can check the fake. This is how we can check the fake references created from, not created from ChatGPT or any AI. And also, I found another wonderful feature of there, so I will show you that. Okay, let's click new document again. Here, this what is this find sources? Okay, when I tell you the problem, then you will understand what is that. What is the problem? Actually, what happened, this is my experience. I think you too have this same experience. Okay, when we get written something from ChatGPT, just think like an essay or something. See, it gives actual sources. Let's think this, there are some in-text citation. Okay, but according to my experience, these citations, references are actually actual. It means these papers are available, but these papers doesn't have this information. For an example, I will tell. It says according to Bandura 1977, students who depend too much on tools like ChatGPT can slowly lose confidence in their own writing. So just think, in 1977 we didn't have ChatGPT. Actually, it is didn't have ChatGPT, so we know this information is actually wrong. But this paper is real. I have checked. Okay, at that time, what happened? want to we have to change all our writing, or we want to find the relevant resources. So because there are, what are the sources which have this information, it means what papers say this statement, like, okay, let's check how to do that. Okay, this is written by ChatGPT, and I'm copy this and going to Citely, and here we already click find sources, and here I pasted our content and then click this arrow. So it shows how it's do cross references and scanning academic databases, and this is the process. Actually, I really love it. It is super fast. You also see how fast it is. Okay, so it says we already know this paper doesn't have this information because at that time we didn't have ChatGPT. Okay, but there says what we don't need to change this writing or this paragraph or this information, but it clearly shows what are the actual papers with resonates associated with this information. It took this first sentence according to Manjura students. That one, it says it have cross verified these papers. This paper. GPT is all you need. UN Chang it did by 2025, and see like that. They slightly give us the relevant sources. Not only that, this is also AI, so we can't trust, no. At that time, they have very good, what is very good feature. We can access to that paper, click access, direct access to that paper. Then actually easily we can read that paper and identify actually this information are related or not. So this is the paper. See, we can directly access to the paper. It directly uh, they directly go to the database, relevant database, so we can get the paper and read whether this information true or not. So this is how Citely works. So you also saw what is Citely, and actually now just check. I don't like to talk about other features to make boring and long this video. I like short and sweet. Let's check their pricing plan, then you can decide what to get. Here pricing. Okay, they have four packages. They call it trial, monthly, yearly, and believer. And the trial one is just $9 per month, and you can have 15 credits. It shows fine sources up to 300 characters, and also for and other monthly package is $19 per month, and actually it gives 150 credits and also up to 300 characters for fine source. And the most popular package is the yearly one. If we buy the yearly package, it means if we pay for 12 months at once, we can get one month 1 month price as a $14, and it gives 1,500 credits per year, and also find sources up to 300, and also this is their video package, it is 347. So this is all about Citely, and actually you saw how it worked because we did it together. So if you like to try, I mean, if you use ChatGPT or any AI to write, not if I know 95% of you are using, so now you don't need to worry about fake references. You can use Citely and identify what are the fake references. And once you identify fake references, you don't need to change that information completely. You can find the relevant sources. Okay, I think you learn how to use Citely and how to solve that fake references problem. And if you learn something, I really love if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share. Actually, I'm getting really low engagement for long videos, so that's why I'm not inspired to do more. So if you show you allow more, then I definitely can check and do more long videos. So catch you soon. So until that, happy researching. Bye bye.